Welcome to the best vlog of your life, fall retreat vlog.
I'm bored already. Oh!
I'm already vlogging.
Oh my gosh. Hi guys!
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I was so good this morning, I was like, I don't need a bubbler. And I didn't, I had one at lunch.
I won't lie, I kind of made fun of you to Doris a little bit. When we went to the farmer's market, you had so many drinks that day.
I just always need a fun drink.
I'll say you refresher with peach juice and you get cold from on top.
I'll try that for you.
Oh, for me?
Yes.
Thanks. I also young berry. She likes them.
I love the soggy berry.
I think they're gross.
I love it. Like the soggy dragon fruit is so good.
They're so gross. It's gonna be loud.
Okay, you got a Tesla?
Yeah, I do.
That's your car? Surprise. Okay, so we're going to fall retreat right now, if you guys were wondering. What are you looking forward to most about fall retreat?
I'm excited for just meeting new people and just worshiping with everyone.
And your car ride with us?
Yes.
Yes.
Of
course. Best 2.5 hours of your life right here.
Yeah.
Someone has to deal with Olivia with me.
Hey, you're welcome, you're welcome. Should I don't know if I should be saying that.
We need more.
Should just like do something crazy for the vlog, like at Starbucks or something. Only 70 calories and 50? Where's my waist? Literally real. Where's my waist? I don't know. Like, where's his waist? He's gonna fly away.
And welcome to my crib. Here we have our first bunk bed. I don't know who lives here. Allison lives down here. Bed number 2. I also don't know who lives up here. That's okay. Olivia and I party down here. Hopefully we don't keep each other in the night.
She won't be my pregnancy pillow when we sleep.
I forgot to show. We have a lovely dresser covered with snacks.
We're gonna be munching.
And goodies. Mirror, so we can get fit checks.
Like this.
Sierra forgot a pillow.
I'm pretty sure I forgot my pillow. It might be in my car, but I don't think
3.
Is that Alex?
Yes, probably Alex.
Yes,
Mr.
Alex.
Alex.
Hey, I'm the girl who forgot her pillow.
Chair number 2.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes.
Bed number 4. I don't know who lives up here. Julia lives down here.
Julia!
I wasn't here when. No.
It's
You
okay.
can't
It's okay.
always
I have my
get
little
what
alligator.
you want.
Mine too.
Morning routine.
Oh my gosh, why is there a chair?
Just in case if you want to sit down while you want to watch people shower. If you want to watch chat, yap, and
I hope
shower.
I don't. Painting. Toilet. This is the only one I've used.
Same! There's just something about that.
This is the second one.
So spacious. And the night vision one.
I don't know how to do that. Oh, so there we go. Spooky.
Let's go find some ducks. Our eyes are like, that is creepy.
Are you finding the duck in there or what?
Michelle is digging through the tree.
Guess what? We found a duck.
No way, show us, please.
It's a blue one.
Quack, quack, quack.
We're winning.
Let's go. Tarbug us. Oh.
Darius, stop.
I wonder if my...
Is my tummy too big?
Stop.
You jealous? Look at the camera, smile at the camera.
Someone took my snacks.
Someone took her snacks, chat.
Look.
Chat.
4 ducks. And someone took my snacks. Okay, that's it. I need to stop.
We need to have.
You are so
Michelle, tell us about your duck addiction.
So this morning alone, I found 3. I was sitting on the van. I don't remember where this one was, and this one was in the van.
On a Saturday morning I'll wear something like
How do you feel about your wife's duck addiction?
I'm winning you a
I'm
gift
really
card.
supportive of her, and
I'm winning you a gift
Think
card.
about that gift card though.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
that's-
B-Dubs gift card too.
I was zoomed in on his arm.
I can't.
How did you sleep?
Maybe not that well.
Me either.
I'm kind of,
Shayla,
I'm not tired.
day one without
Yeah.
Red Bull, let's go.
My back maybe just hurts
Just a little
a
bit.
little bit.
Bubblers.
This is my first
time.
bubbler ever.
Are you serious?
What flavor
Watermelon
you got?
lime smasher.
That's crazy.
You want some?
What kind? That's good. That's
We had to
good.
put them in the fridge because they were a little sad lukewarm, but you know.
You put that's so smart. I didn't even think about that.
I know.
Good morning, Kylie.
Good morning.
How are you feeling this lovely morning?
I am pumped and ready for the day and ready for food. I'm hungry.
Ooh.
Any form of potato. You know,
Yes.
God can do that much with a potato. Imagine what he can do with all of us.
Oh, okay, Kylie. Do you like hash browns? Yeah. Do you like cheesy potatoes? Yeah.
Tater tots?
Oh,
Heck
yeah. Allison, how is it? Thank you. Zooming in on your face. What did you get, Will?
All right, ready? We got
Yeah.
ourselves half an apple.
Ooh.
All right, we got 1 cream cheese. I might get 2.
Oh, okay.
Just in case. I don't know. And then egg bake with some salsa,
Ooh.
sour cream. That's
cream.
kind of touched on my bagel a little bit.
Oh,
you can see it
no.
right there. You know, kind of tough.
How was your meal?
It was really good. I'm going for seconds.
Oh, hey.
I don't like cheaters. Oh my gosh! Stop.
oh my gosh, Emily, stop! You're literally such a crackhead.
Yo, what's up, Logan?
You're not funny.
I'm not fucking right here. You're making me mad.
All right, I was looking for my wife, and she's outside. She's cooked. She wants the ducks too bad.
I'll lick your lips. I gotta lick your lips. Get them on your mustache.
Dude, she's everything in the place. Apple core.
face for sure.
Nathan, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, we love it. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Just playing some sand volleyball at fall retreat. It's a vibe. Oh.
Is that a selfie?
It was not a selfie. Yeah. How do you feel?
Yo, watch this serve. Jump serve.
Oh, get that. Oh. Go team.
This team is not lost yet.
Yes, Olivia's team has not lost yet. They're doing pretty good. They beat us bad, but it's okay. Serve. Oh, back over. Look at her go. In the flesh.
Jonah Knick, you're live.
What's up, Low Gang?
What's up, Logan? Anything to say right now at this moment?
It's a good day.
Great day to be a bulldog, amen? Amen. You have beautiful eyes. I'll say what up to the video.
Walk us through what you had. Spicy chicken deluxe sandwich, dupe, and it was really good. Pretty spicy, and I enjoyed it. Mukbang vomit, some carrots, pineapple, and guess where they are? In my belly. Chips, water, and some pepper to go in it. My brother used to wrestle, so this is all of his wrestling videos on there. In this thing right here.
Look at Olivia forced to make
Oh!
Darmongas, I didn't even get
She was
it.
in the video!
She's showing her ducks, that's really important though.
The other one's better.
I will never get tired of telling you your words.
Give us a camera tour.
Here's an on and off button. Here's how you can zoom in and out. Here's how you look back at the pictures. Here's how you change the settings.
All right.
Boom. You know
Estoy
how to
listo.
work
¿Estás listo?
it. You just threw that one.
And it skipped. 80.
Okay, now look at each other and smile. Awesome. Perfect. It's so good. Photo on that. Let me do that one. Oh wait.
I think you're a really big YouTuber. This is pretty cool.
What's up, guys? Today.
Yeah, that'll be $90.
Diss tracking.
Get up. Alpha chicks.
Stop me eating. Hey, what's cooking? I don't care. You won't catch me looking.
Oh.
Oi, oi, oi!
Back! Guess who won beans today? Me. Jackson Viewer, if you're watching this, that's what we're having this weekend for supper. And he doesn't even like beans, so that sucks.
He doesn't?
I'll just put it in brownies or something. You apologize.
You don't want to mess with these guys. These guys are my gang. Oh my goodness, did he just riz the camera?
I guess it's gotta go in the garbage.
Already have,
There's gotta be a microwave.
we have to have a house with them already.
So be in our house.
Remember I said I would live there too and be your nanny. You don't have to pay me.
But I'll also have 6 kids there as well.
Okay, I'll bring my 6 kids too.
Thought I was tapping out, but I'm tapping in. Lawson Strum is making beans. We're gonna make a mukbang video. They're cooked. Won't focus. Yeah!
Oh. Up in the castle with my new family.
love Bush's baked beans. They make me happy.
That's crazy. Eat some beans.
No, I don't want to eat the beans.
More? Emma, do you want some beans?
No, absolutely not.
Get a scoop.
Okay.
Get a scoop.
I would never.
Shayla.
I'm stage fright.
Get a little scoop.
Shayla, get her to do a
She
song.
already asked.
Oh, you didn't. You got more. You got more. Hey, if you guys get any more beans, I have like 2 cans. That's so disgusting. For the vlog.
Good morning. Some frosted flakes on a banana. Sausage. 3. I'm sorry. You're only supposed to grab 2. And Fruity Pebbles. Fridge.
I don't think anyone actually eats porridge except for it tastes like my grandma tastes like.
Goldilocks and the 3 Bears too.
Yeah, what?
Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. You're actually mad.
Oh yeah.
And then
You see that back there?
I did see that. Yeah,
Man, that was
something else. Do you see this though?
yeah.
I'm a pretty girl.
You're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yay!
Oh.
Oh.
That's so pretty. Where's your guys's? Did you just say I'm pretty?
I'm
What is that over there?
Pulls diva queen. I'm so pretty.
Star Among Us sad. Why is Star Among Us sad?
Star Among Us didn't win the B-Dubs card.
Bro, we are 1.
But guess who did? Michelle, your wife. Hey. Okay.
All right, now you gotta cut those other ones out.
That first one wasn't.
I don't know if I'm gonna put Star Among Us's part. I was taking pictures. I didn't want to get water on my pants. But I'm sorry in advance for everything that Darmung recorded.
Hey, vlog.
What would you like to say to the vlog?
Go to fall retreat. It's a great experience.
Hey, Jonas, what do you like to say to the vlog?
I know you alive. God's not finished.
What did you
Kanye
just
West
do?
From 24.
What did you just
This
do?
guy just got
I did
baptized.
just get that.
Woo!
Let's go.
I had Kanye West playing in my ear the whole time.
Oh my gosh.
I should have brought
Sponsored.
my job right here, but
Alright.
and just.
I might stop at Jimmy John's.
Oh, dude.
Would you?
Which one?
Would you like to say anything?
No.
POV, you're an apple.
Bye, y'all.
And you?
Hey. Bye-bye.
And you? Let's go.
Did you have a great weekend? Because I had a great weekend.
Hey,
I
man.
had a great weekend!
I had a great weekend!
I had the best weekend ever!
Amazing weekend. Met so many
What?
people.
So bad! I had the best weekend.
Did you have the best
Best weekend ever.
ever? Best weekend ever?
Weekend ever exists in all time except for the Holy Weekend.
Ooh.
Best weekend ever.
Yes.
Off the record.
Shopping. Are you kidding me?
No way. That's
We're stopping, we're eating, and we're chatting for a bit. And then I'd have to
Taco
go
Bell
home
and Yap?
change.
Open your mouth.
We're stopping and eating.
Yeah, but
Okay, good job.
Kaylin, did you have the best weekend ever?
Best weekend ever.
Kaylin slayed up on worship. If only I recorded that.
Did
She
you?
did so
You didn't
good.
record?
No, I didn't. But I did take
It was a good
pictures.
time.